Yeah, it's your boy the Rychuhss Messenger, the Plumber, Rhythm Rider. You know. Yeah, people, I have to, uninstall this toilet and install a new one. I just want to show you the old one. And, I want to start installing it now. I've installed the system. You can see. I'm going to take out the pan now. Yeah, so people, I've uninstalled the toilet. System gone, pan gone. Alright, this is a wet room, you see. They're trying to convert it to a bathroom or a shower and a toilet. Got hand basin there. Remodel this whole thing here. That's my take. Remodel the whole thing. Right. I want me to change the toilet. It's here. That's the pan. That's the cover on the system. I'm just prepping the system quickly so I can, install it and go my way. I'm building the back support for the toilet. Yes, my people, I'm nearly there. Nice back support. Yeah. Systems on top of the pan.
Wait!
Yeah. Yeah, so it's done. I finished installing the toilet.
Done?
Yeah.